Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include power liftgate, parking sensors, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, HID headlights, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.